Welcome to Guardamar del Segura, a premier location on the Costa Blanca. Easy access to Moncayo Beach, located just 10 minutes by car or 15 minutes by bicycle from this new development. We are pleased to present these luxury tourist apartments for sale, with the option for ground floor and first floor with a private terrace, or second floor with private terrace and a solarium. The complex is designed with comprehensive common areas to enhance the resident experience. Facilities include a dedicated pool area, a reception and meeting room, and a professional spa. For recreation and wellness, residents have access to an outdoor gym, a pétanque area, and a mini golf course. Every home also includes a private parking space and storage room located in the basement. A key feature of this development is the orientation. First and second floor homes provide privileged panoramic views of the Laguna de la Mata, with terraces facing the green areas. These apartments are delivered fully furnished and ready for immediate occupancy. The interior package includes all lighting, furniture, and a kitchen equipped with appliances. Each apartment features 2 fully finished bathrooms. We offer various housing types, including 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom configurations. Notably, all 3-bedroom homes are exclusive corner units. The investment model is unique. Owners can utilize the home for 4 months of personal use annually. For the remaining 8 months, a specialized company manages the property as a rental to generate income. Strategically located, the complex is 10 minutes from Habanera Shopping Center and 8 minutes from the center of Guardamar. Golf enthusiasts are within 15 minutes of top-tier courses, like La Finca. If you're looking for that perfect beach town vibe, this is it. Right on your doorstep is Guardamar's famous coastline, 11 kilometers of soft sand, and a promenade that's perfect for sunset tapas. The town is buzzing with bars and restaurants, but if you need a quiet moment, you've got 2 stunning parks and a sleek marina to explore. For detailed specifications or to arrange a viewing, please contact White Coast Realty via email. Follow our channel for updates on new developments.